Dude, make up your mind. We've been looking at cars all day. Like you're either gonna get it or you're not gonna get it. What about this one?
I mean, it look fast.
Okay, this one's not as bad. It's not a scat pack, but it'll do. Okay, how about this? Challenger.
It's too black.
Basically the same thing. We're here up at our local dealership, trying to get him into a car.
I don't want nothing too fast though, that's the thing.
Nothing too fast?
No.
What about loud?
Cause I gotta hit.
Absolutely not.
No.
No. What about
You got G6 over
the
there.
G6? We could do that one. But wait, what about this one?
I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Look, Papa don't preach, teachers don't teach, niggas gon' reach, that's facts. I ain't worried about none of that shit, I'm making that cash stack. Bunch of O's like NASCAR, but it's really more like NASDAQ. Why they thinking that they hot shit when they really more like